today I'm going to show you how to make a fondant au chocolat, or a classic chocolate molten lava cake. This is the most amazing recipe with perfect chocolate cake on the outside and perfect liquidy center. It's the recipe to make 4, so it's great for dinner parties or anything like that, and it has like next to no ingredients of things that you already should have in your house. So I have 175 grams of 65% dark chocolate here. You can use any percentage chocolate that you like, but molten chocolate lava cakes tend to be a lot nicer when you use a darker chocolate. So if you like really rich chocolate, then go ahead and add a higher percentage. Otherwise, if you want a sweet, more mild flavor, you can add a milk chocolate or something. I also have 75 grams of unsalted butter and 5 grams of premium Dutch processed cocoa powder, just because it's a lot more rich, but if you have just regular cocoa powder, that's fine as well. We're going to melt all these together until it's a nice homogeneous liquid and combine it with our eggs, sugar and flour. Okay, so you want to heat this chocolate butter cocoa powder mixture up in 30-second increments so you don't burn the chocolate. Hopefully you're using good quality chocolate, so you do need to take care of it. How strong the bursts are at a time that you're doing it, and you're just melting it until it's completely liquid. Stir it together. The reason that we're putting the cocoa powder in there at the same time is because we want to bloom it, which means we're going to achieve the strongest possible flavour that we can get from the cocoa powder that's in there. So now we have this beautiful liquid chocolate, and we're going to go ahead and add 125 grams of whole eggs and 75 grams of caster sugar together. Whisk it together until the eggs are completely broken down. Perfect. So now we have the melted chocolate beautifully combined, and the eggs have been broken down and combined with the sugar. Now we're going to put the hot chocolate mixture into the egg mixture and whisk it up. Add in 32 grams of plain flour and whisk until combined. Okay, so this is pretty much the final step. We just need to grease up a ramekin of your choice. If you have any of these butter papers, I usually keep those after I've weighed out my butter, and you can use those to grease your ramekin. Otherwise, just melt a little bit down and brush it in there lightly, not too heavy. And then just put a teaspoon or so of plain flour in there and turn it around so that it gets a really nice even dusting of flour. And that is what's going to stop them from sticking. And then we can go ahead and fill our ramekins up with our mixture. So I'm just using one of these medium-sized ice cream scoops, but whatever you have, you can even just pour it from the bowl straight into the ramekin. And you only want to fill this up to about 3/4 of the way, or until the line inside of your ramekin, because they will come up and you don't want them to be too full, otherwise they won't cook evenly. So guys, for best results, you really want to rest these for a minimum of 12 hours to allow all those flavors to kind of marry like this one. You can cook these from fresh, but texturally you just won't achieve the same result. Bake these in a 190 Celsius preheated oven for 11 minutes. So when it comes out, it should look like a well done cake around the outside and have quite a lot of structure, but the inside is still liquid, and the top should look cooked as well. So you could go a little bit more than this, maybe a minute or so, but no less. And then you want to take a palette knife or a small butter knife and just run it around the outside of the ramekin to make sure that the cake's released before you turn it out. And if you've floured it properly, it should be super easy. So to turn it out, you take whatever you're serving on top, do a little flip. And guys, that is it. You've made fondant. Give it a healthy dust of icing sugar and enjoy what comes next.